How to fix Viber not sending pictures. Hello everyone and welcome to Create Login and Delete. So without further ado, let's jump into our topic on how to fix Viber not sending pictures. The first option is to make sure that your internet connection is pretty good, right? So that's one of the crucial things to focus on. But if your internet connection is pretty good, then first of all what I like to recommend you to do is go to your app store, and in the search section of the app store, search for Viber. And make sure that your Viber app is updated. If you have an update button instead of an open button right here, click on the update button and make sure you update the app. This will fix the unnecessary bugs and make your app performance better. And if you have done this and it still doesn't work out, then what you can do is go to your settings, slide down and go to general, go to iPhone storage, and after the page loads up, search for Viber right here. Click on the Viber and upload the app. Clicking on upload button will not result in the deletion of your data, but this will clear out the cache and will make your app smoother, which might result in the solution of your problem. Now if these still don't work out, then what you can do is you can uninstall the app and you can install it back again and log in back again. That might help solving your problem as well. So that's it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much.